You just starting? Yeah. What do you want to do?
There's one on the left.
Narga's over there. Huh? Are they calling it?
No, not yet. On the back wall, we can go left or we can go right. It's woods to the left, wall all the way on the right.
Okay, what do you want to do?
Guys, go!
Let's go.
Go. Got him. All right, watch your corners. Cut inside as soon as you can. Cutting in. Oh, hit, nice shot. Nice shot.
I think that's game. Just shoot me, right, bro?
Yeah.
That's it.
I'm out of lives. I don't see Paul and I don't see Mikey.
Yeah, so that's everyone.
Baby.
Game over!
Where's the other guys?
Game over!
All right. Nice shot. Nice shot, man. Nice shot.
Was that you up in the tower over
Yeah,
there?
that was me up there. Did you get me in the back
I got
too?
you in the tower.
Nice, nice. I was pinned down up there for about 40 minutes yesterday. It's tough.
I had lost track of how many guys were still out there or not. I thought it was game over there, and then it wasn't game over.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Yeah, when I got it the first time, I'm like, where can I go? And people are like, are you alive? And I'm like,
Well, yeah, I'm aiming at all you guys, and you're all. I could have blasted you all, but I knew this was your spawn point, and it's like, are you guys in or what?
I know that's what
We were like,
You did it.
as soon as we start moving in the shoot, right? So it's kind of like we're starting in the open.
yeah, I think they're going to switch it up this time. So
I can't breathe through my nose, so I had to take a breather
Want to do that
real
again?
quick.
Or do you want to go back and refill?
No, I have enough ammo.
Yeah?
I can switch
Can we
ends, you
make
guys.
the spawn point here over at the corner instead?
No,
We're
well,
gonna do that.
or in
We're gonna
deeper or somewhere.
Yeah, we're actually gonna. One team is gonna spawn over here, and the other team is actually gonna spawn.
Oh, way over, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, the corner room there is usually a spawn point, and the corner
Yeah,
room
it's
here,
Oh.
because it's opposite corners. The end room there and the end room here is the usual starting points.
Yeah.
If you're interested, that basically gives it's a straight run to the corner here, straight run to the corner there,
Yeah.
and a cut through the middle.
That sounds beautiful. You guys okay with that?
Fine.
All right. So, you want to do rock paper scissors again, or does anybody want to pick a side? Doesn't matter.
We're gonna take us three, and we need to adopt.
Could you take one of the pistols? Because we've got 2 pistols and a shotty.
they all have rifles.
They
Dude,
don't back.
Do they get rifles now?
I have a
we
rifle.
have I'll switch on.
Okay, all right, never mind.
That's 3.
Is it all, so it's all rifles now,
Two players.
other than the shot?
I'm just gonna go lift my mask for a sec.